Welcome to Data Talk, presented by IDEA Data and Research. DATA stands for Data Analysis Techniques Applied. Data Talk is a series of videos for Arkansas's local education agencies on the use of data, particularly for special education staff. The series will cover the basic concepts of data, including understanding data sources, context of the data, analytical techniques, and the reporting of IDEA data. In this episode of Data Talk, we will be providing a quick refresher on the essentials of data. Whether you're brand new to working with data or just need a tune-up, this presentation will help you understand the key components. Who uses data, what it really is, where it comes from, and when and why we use it, and how we work with it. Let's dive into the world of data with fresh eyes. What is data? At its core, data is simply raw information, numbers, words, observations that have not yet been analyzed or interpreted. Think of it as ingredients before they become a meal. We use different types of data: quantitative, which is numbers, and qualitative, more descriptive information. Structured data, organized in tables or databases, and unstructured data like videos or open text. We have primary data, which we collect ourselves, or secondary data. It's data that somebody else has already collected. Understanding these types help us choose the right tools and analysis methods. Who uses data? In short, everyone. From teachers to tech developers, nearly every role today involves some interaction with data. It's used to create business strategies, understand customer needs, monitor performance, and even predict what might happen next. Regardless of your role, using data effectively empowers smarter decisions. Where does data come from? Data can be gathered from a variety of sources, both inside and outside your organization. This includes systems you already use, your ERP or Enterprise Resource Planning software system, CRM or your Customer Relationship Management system, and of course the point of sale system known as POS, which we interact with daily when we go shopping. User activity, such as surveys and website visits, and the Internet of Things, which enables devices to collect and share data. Think about the apps on your phone or tablet. Once collected, data needs a place to live, whether in a spreadsheet or a cloud-based data warehouse. Knowing your data sources helps you trace reliability and relevance. When do we use data? We use data constantly, whether reviewing real-time alerts, preparing monthly reports, or planning for the future. It supports day-to-day decisions and long-term strategic thinking. Recognizing when data is used helps ensure we're consulting the right information at the right moment. Why is data important? Data brings clarity. It helps identify what's working and what's not, revealing trends and patterns that might not be obvious otherwise. Good data use improves efficiency, enhances the user experience, and prevents errors that could cost time or money. Simply put, data helps you make better, smarter choices. How do we work with data? There is a life cycle to data. We collect it using forms, systems, or sensors. We store it safely in databases, spreadsheets, data lakes. We clean and prepare it so it is usable by removing errors and ensuring consistency. We analyze data to draw insights using descriptive diagnostic and predictive methods. We visualize the data to tell the story clearly using charts, dashboards, and graphs. And finally, we communicate those insights through reports, presentations, and our storytelling. Every step is important to get accurate, useful results. What are the common tools? Different tools help us manage different parts of the data process. For quick tasks, spreadsheets like Excel work well. For deeper analysis and professional reporting, we often turn to tools like Power BI and Tableau. Programming tools like SQL or Python are great for handling large or complex data sets. The right tool depends on your task, skill level, and data complexity. Now, let's look at a few myths and misunderstandings. More data doesn't always mean better decisions. Quality matters more than quantity. Not all data is accurate. Mistakes happen, so validation is key. Data doesn't automatically tell a story. Humans still need to interpret and communicate its meaning. Critical thinking is just as important as the data itself. To wrap up this episode, some final thoughts and takeaways. Don't take data at face value. Always ask questions. Context matters. Know where the data comes from and what it represents. Aim for data that is clear, accurate, and actionable. And remember, data is a tool to support decision making, not a replacement for critical thinking. Thank you for engaging in this refresher. We hope it brings renewed confidence in using data thoughtfully and effectively. Thank you for viewing this episode of Data Talk. We hope you have found it to be helpful and will join us for upcoming Data Talk episodes. Our contact information is IDEA Data and Research, University of Arkansas at Little Rock, 2801 South University Avenue. Stabler Hall 406, Little Rock, Arkansas 72204. Our phone number is 501-916-3219. Our fax number is 501-916-3238. If you have questions, you can contact Dr. Jody Fields at JAFIELDS@ualr.edu.